Take a ride in the 2023 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, FWD, remote trunk release, LED headlights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.